Hello, so today I'm unboxing my Starbucks Ambassador box. It's pretty excited to see what's in this. Kind of big. So let's get started. And the contents are a bajillion squiggles because they're just awesome to have. It looks like there's a cloth towel. We got some Rift Valley single origin coffee. Also got some Mount. I'm not even going to try to say it because I know that I'm going to say it wrong. So there's some more. And it's just ground coffee. So I was just reading instructions. And we got some Laguna. The dog's trying to take my son's snack. So look at this awesome cup. Now, Starbucks cups are my favorite. I think I use this white Starbucks cup that's about as big as that every single day. And it's my favorite. I love it. It's like big enough to put all my extra cream in and sugar, lattes. And then here's a nice little cute tea kettle. Hot water boiler, because that's what I would use it for. Pretty nifty. And I believe that is everything. Everything else is squiggles. Oh boy. Now if the cat's gone to this box, that'll just be crazy. So, you saw it. What was in my second box of the year, I get 4 of being a Starbucks Ambassador. So I got a tea kettle, a nice little rag, towel, a cup, and then 3 coffees that I have never tried before. So I'm going to give them a try. And if you want to know if I actually like them or whatever, just check out the pictures. I'll be posting on my blog at itspeachykeen.com. So be sure you follow me. And if you want to know more about me and my family, just follow me on Instagram. I happen to post there an awful lot, and I ask pointless questions on Facebook. So I'm just kind of an all-around person. So just follow me, because why not? All right. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.